Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to enable disabled apps on Android. Let's begin. Now, enabling disabled apps on an Android device can be beneficial for a lot of reasons because number one, some apps are essential for the full functionality of your device. So re-enabling them can restore features that were not working properly. Certain apps provide necessary services like updates, synchronization, and security features. So obviously, enabling these apps ensure your device operates smoothly, right? Some apps depends on others to function correctly. So enabling a disabled app can resolve issues with apps that rely on it. So I need you to open your mobile device, and from there we will see how we can do it. Now, I'm going to give you an example of a disabled apps. For example, I want to disable YouTube for now. All I have to do is long press on the icon and go to app info. And from there, as you can see, there's a disable option on the very bottom, on the middle part. Click on it and it's going to be disabled for now. All right. Now, the thing is, since the YouTube app is already disabled, you can no longer find it here in the default window. Now, all I have to do is go to my settings. Right here, click on it. Now, from the settings, go to the app management or app list, something like that on your Android phone. And from here, you can type in, go to app list if you want. But you can also try, if there's a search option, type in YouTube. I'm going to hover to the app list. You can hover down, or I'm just gonna search on the YouTube. As you can see, it's already disabled, right? I'm gonna click on it, and as you can see, there's the enable option at the lower right corner, right? Of course, all I have to do is click on it, and from there, it's already enabled. Okay? Now, remember that enabling apps that offer specific features you need, such as email, messaging, or navigation, can enhance your productivity and convenience. Re-enabling apps allows you to customize your device according to your preferences and needs. Because disabled apps can restore essential functionality, improve device performance, and ensure a more seamless and secure user experience. If you are experiencing errors or glitches, re-enabling and disabled apps might resolve these issues, especially if the app was inadvertently disabled, alright? And some apps are essential for system maintenance, like clearing cache, managing storage, or optimizing performance. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.